just finished our very first assembly at a private school in Jefferson City, the state capital of Missouri. And they also brought out a reporter from a local newspaper, so we're gonna go on the newspaper. That's pretty cool. So yeah, stay tuned and see how our day goes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Spice Ball. This is Spice Ball. I used to say it. Your breath, breathe it in. This is my goal to life. We went like dance to it.
Finished up with our day of assemblies. Had to go check out that ice cream place. The counselor was telling us awesome things about it, and it was pretty decent ice cream. You like it, Jess?
Yeah, it was probably the most ice cream I've ever had in one sitting for a really decent price.
You still got some ice cream there on your face.
Oh my gosh, I had birthday cake, which makes me a child, but it's fine.
We just finished our second assembly at a Catholic school in Jeff City, and since we're back in town, we figured we might as well hit the Capitol. Unfortunately, we didn't really get much footage from the assembly today because we were just really busy and didn't have all that many opportunities, but we did film a few things. You can check them out as shorts or go to our TikTok at Nextera and check those out there.